Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. I am going to make some chicken gnocchi soup with you. I'm just going to kind of show you most of the process. I will link the actual recipe down below. This one comes from Creme de la Creme, but I did end up adding something different. I will show you that as we go along. But let's make soup together.
Hey darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand. Hey darling, I love it when it's me and you, on the road with a couple of tunes in a car for two. Hey darling, you know we're gonna have a really good time, driving in the middle of the night when the stars are bright. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand. Yeah, we only get one life, I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand.
Hey, I wish you could see yourself just sitting there on my chair. I'm staring at you, you don't even notice. Should've told you straight away, you don't have to be afraid anymore. I know you haven't noticed. You know that I won't let you go. Put your arms around me and I'll let you know how it feels when time goes slow. And I
recipe calls for cooked chicken, cubed. So what I did is I took 2 chicken breasts, seasoned it with Kroger's chicken seasoning, pepper, and a little bit of garlic salt, and drizzled it with a little bit of olive oil, popped it in the oven, and just roasted it for about 45 minutes or so because they were pretty thick chicken breast. And I let them cool and then cut them, and I think it added an additional flavor to the soup that was pretty tasty. You could use a rotisserie chicken or just leftover chicken you had in your icebox from another night. As I tasted that soup, I realized that I needed to add something else to it to make it more something that we enjoyed a little bit more. I like a lot of flavor in our soup, so I am going to add, and you're going to see me add in a little bit of rosemary. I'm just going to kind of sprinkle it on the top, and some celery salt. Celery salt is a secret ingredient. And some more black pepper. I really enjoyed this soup. The men in my house, not so much. For them, this is a girly soup. But if your family likes chowders, then they will definitely enjoy this. And oh yeah, I added a little bit more salt too. It's definitely tasty. I served this with Caesar salad, as you're going to see here in a little bit, and some Red Lobster biscuits. And no worries, I used a new spoon each time I tasted.
And now there's something in the air, and a sparkly shimmer on our skin.